Hi guys, my name's Marty, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change category URLs in WordPress. So what it says after our domain name when viewing a category page. So for example, if we look at the URL for my category called Demo Content, we can see it says Demo Content after the domain name. But if we want to change this to say something else, first we need to make sure we have our permalinks set up the right way. To do this, we're going to visit the dashboard, hover over Settings on the left, and click into Permalinks. Then here we want to make sure this is set to either Post Name or Custom Structure. As long as it says Post Name somewhere in this box, it's going to work. Then if we changed anything here, we just need to click Save Changes at the bottom, and now we can change our actual category URLs. To do this, we're going to hover over Posts on the left and click into Categories. Then, if we hover over the category we want to change and click Edit, we can change the text in this box labeled Slug, and we can type whatever we like in here. Then, once we're done, we need to click Update at the bottom to save our changes. And now if we click this link at the top to go back, hover over the category name and click View. If we look up at the top, we can see the URL has changed and it's now showing the new text we entered. And if you want to get rid of the word category before the actual category name in your URL, I've linked a video in the description that shows you how to do this. So that's us now at the end, and that was how to change category URLs in WordPress. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give it a like here on YouTube to show your support, and consider subscribing to the channel for more WordPress tutorials in future. Once again, my name's Marty from letsbuildwp.com, and thank you for watching.